If you want to create a database using LibreOffice Base, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open LibreOffice Base, start a new database, save it properly, and get your project ready to use. This is a great skill if you want to organize data, build a small database for work or school, or just learn the basics of database creation inside LibreOffice. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can usually find it in your Applications menu, Desktop Shortcut, or Start menu, depending on your device. When LibreOffice opens, you'll see the main Start Center with different options for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and databases. For this tutorial, we want the database option, so look for Base Database. Base is the database component of LibreOffice, and it's the tool you'll use to create and manage your database file. Go ahead and click Base Database. This will open the Database Creation Wizard. On this screen, LibreOffice gives you a few choices, but the one we want for a brand new database is Create a New Database. Select that option so LibreOffice knows you want to start from scratch. This is the simplest way to create a database if you are just getting started and do not already have an existing database file to connect. After selecting Create a New Database, click Next. This takes you to the next part of the setup process. In most cases, the default settings here are perfectly fine for a new user, so you do not need to change anything complicated. Once you're ready, click Finish to complete the setup wizard. This tells LibreOffice Base that you're done choosing the database type and want to move on to saving the file. Now LibreOffice will ask you where you want to save the database file. This part is important because your database needs a location and a file name so you can find it later. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to keep the database, then type a clear file name. It's always a good idea to use a name that describes what the database is for, so it's easy to identify later. After you choose the location and enter the name, click Save. Once you click Save, LibreOffice Base will create the database file and open it for you automatically. At this point, your database has been successfully created. You can now begin building tables, entering data, or setting up additional parts of your database depending on what you need. If you're a beginner, just focus on getting comfortable with this first step, because creating the database file is the foundation for everything else. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a database using LibreOffice Base. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can repeat the same process anytime you need a new database file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.